What are automatic photo backups?
Automatic photo backups are a feature on most smartphones that save your photos and videos to a cloud storage service. This happens in the background, usually as soon as you take new pictures. The goal is to keep your memory safe, so if your phone is lost or damaged, your photos will still be accessible online.
How does the backup process start?
When you take a photo, backup apps like Google Photos or iCloud Photos detect new images automatically. If your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or sometimes even cellular data, these apps upload your photos to your personal cloud account. This process reduces the risk of losing your photos due to hardware failure or accidents.
Where are your photos stored?
Uploaded photos are stored on secure servers managed by your chosen cloud provider. The photos are linked to your account, allowing you to view or download them from any device where you log in. This setup also helps free up space on your phone, since you may no longer need to keep all images locally.
How is your privacy protected?
Cloud services use encryption during transfer and storage, keeping your photos private and secure from unauthorized access. Only you or people you choose to share with can view or download your backed up images. Always review your privacy settings to ensure your backups remain secure.
Managing backups and restoring photos.
Most backup apps let you manage how and when your photos are uploaded, such as restricting to Wi-Fi only or selecting specific albums. If you get a new phone or lose your old one, you simply sign into your account and restore your backed up photos to your new device, making the transition seamless.